Welcome to this new channel. My name is Shannon and you're watching where I will play around with Subarus and the wife's Patrol. We'll take it out for me and do work on it and all that sort of stuff, and a bit of BMX. Today we are about to whack in some cheap coilovers, eBay, all I can afford right now. It will do. Alright, let's get this jacked up, get the wheels off and get these things on. I'll put a bit of a time lapse on, so we'll get into it and get it done. Gotta love the real AB tools. Got these and I'm not even wearing them. Dirty. Well, this is practically one side done. There we go. Well, driver side's done. Now onto the passenger. We'll get a time lapse on this one actually. Let's get going. Got to get this all done before school pick up at 2:30. Well, we definitely got rid of that monster truck fitment. Now, time to get the back ones done. Well, I managed to get rid of the monster truck fitment on the front, but got to reset the rear when I get back from school run, which I'll do that, and that should help settle it a little bit. But this is what it looks like at the moment. The front's a lot better than what it was. As you can see on this side's a lot better. Reset. But that's pretty well what I was going for. Well, we're back from school run. Time to lower this. Alrighty. Cut down 50 mil.
Daddy, let me have this.
Yeah. Hey, bud.
Hi, Dad. Daddy.
Yo.
This burger got the bird stuff coming off.
Oh, bird feather.
Yeah, bird feather.
Oh, poor birdie.
Yeah, no, put it. Bah.
You can't put it back on the birdie.
No. Let me go put it on birdie. Let me go put it on. Yeah, of course. It come off. Daddy, what are you doing with your car? What are you doing with it? Daddy, me that.
Lower.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
That is cool.
Yeah, Daddy.
Yeah, buddy.
Why is that up there? Wow. This is true.
just one wheel.
Daddy, that you. And
Yeah,
me.
and you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Woohoo.
Boing, boing, boing. Daddy, me funny.
You are funny.
Yeah, always funny. So did that me.
Well now.
And I'm gonna see.
Save on 80. Just be careful. So just be careful. Cool.
Yeah.
Yes.
And about look. Daddy, why is it on your tire?
Because it's easier.
1, 2, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 10! No, he's going 1, cover that, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 10. You have 10 holes. Sorry. What are you doing?
Making this go up higher.
Up higher?
Yeah. Arm's getting sore.
arms are getting sore. Do you want me to help?
Nah, it's okay.
You're not allowed to go under cars
Why?
because you might break it.
Looking a lot better now. Could maybe go a little bit lower.
Daddy,
Yo, buddy!
look! That's me!
Are you playing in the dirt with your trucks?
Yeah.
Awesome.
What's this?
Isn't that from Toy Story?
Yeah?
Yeah? Done. It's always fun when you get your mate to drive your own car. You be shotgun when you don't do it very often. It's quite enjoyable. Yeah, suspension's a bit rough, but you get that without dampening. I'm not paying same price for the suspension I was for the shipping. Another day, if I'm going to do that, I'm going to spend the decent money and get decent suspension. But in the meantime, we'll enjoy the rough ride, the good fun. Okay, well that brings us to the end of this video. Maxspeeding coilovers install. Came out quite nice. Quite enjoyable. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, well, next few videos we got a some wheel bearings. Double check if they're the right ones. New clutch kit. And some brake pads. And while I do those brake pads, I'm going to paint up the calipers while I do the clutch and everything else. So make sure to stick around for those ones. And yeah, we'll start going to take the beauty little girl to some car shows and stuff like that. And yeah, get it out there. Enjoy it. Okay, so make sure to stick around for the next ones. And like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll catch you all on the next one. See you later.